I have been creating this quick and easy, beautiful, transparent design with reflection on Canva. We can go ahead and use these for posters. You can use them for anniversaries. It depends on what you want to use them for. Quick and easy on Canva, you can create one of your own. Let me show you how we've done this. You're going to open a canvas, and it would be a poster or a card. You create a canvas and then you pick a background that goes very well with what you're wanting to design. So I'm going to scroll down. I love my gradient colors. I'm going to pick this reddish gradient and use that. Next step is for you to scroll down to your apps, and on your apps search for Typecraft. So you're going to type Typecraft and open that up, and you're going to write the word that you want to use for your design. So for our example, I'm going to use power as the power word. Next, you're going to go to font, and you're going to pick a font that's sober, very straight, and I like to use a sober font that's easy to read, like Anton. So I'm going to select Anton. Once you've ticked it, you're going to click on fonts to go back to the first page, and then you scroll back up and leave the style as none. Scroll down and change the color to white or any color that you want to use. And then when you click outside, you get to the mirror points. We don't want the design to be mirroring any of our points, so you're going to leave it as no mirror. And you're going to scroll down to edit shape. And the first step is for you to add the sober words to your design. So you're going to add element and click once. And then the first power is added to your design. You're going to take it to a little bit top, and then you're going to duplicate so that you have two words of the same power word. Then the second one, you're going to go to your edit shape, and you're going to drag the first point to top. And then you're going to hold the right hand side and drag it to top, and then so that it creates like a roundish kind of a shape. And then you're going to update your element, and then it looks like that. Then we're happy with Typecraft. We're done with Typecraft. We're going to leave the second power word highlighted. Then we're going to go back to our apps. And on our apps, we're going to look for easy reflection. So let me search for it so that you also see where you find it. We're going to take off Typecraft, and you're going to type easy reflections, and you select that. It's the first one with the sneakers on. You're going to select easy reflections, and it's going to open up, and it's going to be blue or purple to allow you to create a reflection. So you're going to click on create a reflection, and then it's there. Then you're going to scroll down and leave it as below. Leave offset as 50 and opacity as 50, and click the add to design. And then once that transparent one is added, you're going to select the second word and delete that, and then grab the reflected one or the easy reflected one and make that big. And then grab the first word and align it to the second word. And then bring them together like that so that it looks like that. And then you add your image. So it depends on who you want to add for the image. I don't know, if you're designing for an anniversary or whatever, you could get the people's image that you're designing for and upload that to Canva. I'm just going to use this young lady that's so happy and powerful, and we're going to add her image. Background remover on the glow up is already here. You're going to select it. If you're using the old version, you're going to click on edit image so that you can go to the background remover. I have a free 30-day trial that you can try on the link below if you want to do that. And then you just align your image and you make it big so that it suits the design. To add that pizzazz, you could add a background. For example, on this bluish one, you can look for water, and you can add water to the design at the background. So you can go to photos of water and search like this kind of water, and then add it to the design and make it nice and large and big. And with your position, send it open up your layers and then send it to back under the words so that it adds that beautiful splash kind of pizzazz. And with the fire one, we can search for fire, for example, and then add that onto the design. Quick and easy. There you go. Let me know in the comments if this has added value. Please share, like, so that YouTube can show this video to as many people as possible and you can support my channel that way. I appreciate you joining me. You can go watch another video that helps you learn how to design a poster. I will see you with our next video.